Good morning, students. So I will continue this remaining part of the lesson, wrestling with forgots. So everyone open page number 89. Yesterday in last paragraph, what we studied? We studied that everyone in this Mahaviri's village were opposing this wrestling sport. He was giving training to his daughters. So everyone were opposed. But Mahavir was thinking differently. He was thinking that when a woman can become prime minister of country, then why can't she become a wrestler? So he began to give training to his daughters. He began training Geeta and Babita in 1998. Their training schedule was rigorous. He woke up them at 5 in the morning and set them to running around the fields. Geeta was 10 years old and then Babita 8. He also built an akada near to their home for practice. So his training was very difficult, very hard training he was giving to his daughters. Every day, his daughters should get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and they have to go for the running. Before playing wrestling, they have to run for the warm-up purpose. And their age was very small. Geeta was 10 and Babita was only 8 years old. And Mahavir Singh also built an akada for playing wrestling. As a coach, Mahavir was strict and demanding, while other children our age would sleep cozily in their beds. We would be up before sunrise, says Geeta. Sleeping for even 10 minutes more was a luxury. So what is Geeta she is telling? His father was very strict, and at that age, when they were 10 years old, 8 years old, their age friends, they were sleeping comfortably in bed. But these children, they got up at 5 in the morning and they were going for training. So what she is telling, sleeping even 10 minutes more was a luxury. Means if his father was allowing 10 minutes in the morning to sleep, then means it was a luxurious for them, it was pleasure for them. Initially the girls would look for an opportunity to skip training, but they grew to love the life of a wrestler. The exhaustion after a hard day's training was satisfying. So starting they were trying to skip training. Means if they got any opportunity, they were skipping the training, they were skipping the practice, they were going to home, giving any reasons. Later they love that game, wrestling game they love, and they started practicing very seriously. It was a great adventure, says Babita, and what made it special was that we were only girls in the village who were doing this. So after some days of struggle, they felt happy because in that village these girls were only practicing this game. But the villagers thought the family had gone mad. Their attitude towards the forgots became worse when Mahavir started training the girls along with the boys. People were furious. They would say, he is destroying the village. He has no shame, says Mahavir. So all the villagers, they used to tell that the family has gone mad. And the villagers become very angry when he started practicing the wrestling with the boys. He started giving training his daughters with the boys. That time what they were telling, the villagers were telling that this Mahavir is destroying our village. He has no shame. Okay. So we can see here Mahavir Singh is here, Sangeeta, Babita, Geeta and Neetu. 4 daughters. Okay. The villagers thought the girls would become like boys, that their faces would get messed up and no one would marry them. They made their disapproval clear to the Powards. It was a stressful period for the family, but they would not stop. So, what the villagers were telling? This is a gents game. So, when they are practicing this one, wrestling, their face would mess, means become dirty. Their face would get rough, and no one will marry them. No one will marry them. They are thinking, they were telling like that. They made their disapproval clear to the Powards. It was a stressful period for the family, but they would not stop. So Mahavir was feeling very bad when the villagers were telling him. Their face would become dirty, their face would become rough when these girls practice wrestling. He was feeling very much bad. Then also he did not give up. He continued to give training to his daughters. My master Chandiram taught me to face difficulties like we face our opponents on the field, says Mahavir. So his master Chandiram, he taught to Mahavir that we have to face the difficulties, how we face the opponents. Opponent means while playing in the competition, our opposite will be there. So how we face them, like that we have to face the difficulties. He is telling. Opponents means not a competitor. We should face the difficulties like how we face our competitor. The turning point came in 2010 when Geeta won India's first Commonwealth gold in women's wrestling. The entire village was ecstatic. They celebrated for 10 days straight. The Phawad family were heroes. They were no longer a matter of shame for the village. So he started giving training for many years. After many years, what happened in 2010 Commonwealth game? India's first Commonwealth game. Geeta won India's first Commonwealth gold in women's wrestling. She won the gold medal in women's wrestling. That time the villagers were very happy. It means very happy. They celebrated this for 10 days. And the villagers were telling that Mahavir has no shame. He is giving the training of wrestling to girls. Now they were very much happy and they were supporting to Mahavir because his daughter has won the gold medal in Commonwealth Games. Geeta went to have an incredible career by winning a bronze medal at the 2012 World Championship, yet another first for an Indian woman, and then qualifying for the 2012 London Olympics. So here we can see she also won the bronze medal in 2012 in the World Championship, and she was the first woman for the qualifying 2012 London Olympics. Now she is qualified to participate in London Olympics. So whole India was very much happy. Whole Indians were very much happy about this. So I will continue tomorrow this remaining part. I hope you understood. Thank you.